Oh yeah, I think from a young age, because, and I'm sure you've seen it too. I mean, growing up in American Samoa, it's so hard to see what happens to our people, right? To our loved ones, and seeing how advanced disease can be. And a lot of it really came from visiting when because a lot of summers I would spend in Upolu with my dad's family and
Mm.
my grandma that was there. I think a lot of that inspiration came from grandma, just seeing how sick she was. She already had like pretty advanced diabetes. She wasn't a big believer in Western medicine. She would go and see the fufu, for example.
Mm.
And then she lost her eyesight to diabetes. Before it really, got to the rest of her system. So that was something that I thought as a young child, like, hey, if I could do something to help not just grandma, but just, the people that we grew up with, the people that we know. And if I could better myself, or if I could get to a point where I could be in a role like a physician, where I'm then able to kind of give back and have some kind of impact in society, then that's what I want to do. So
All the
yeah, I never.
inspiration came from the family.
Oh yeah, from the family for sure. I mean, there was never like a clear path. It was more
Hmm.
like on the go. It was more like, okay, so this is what I have to do now to get to that next step, and then after that, and then what do I have to do next, kind of thing. It's hard to kind of plan for things long term, but that was always the goal.